Imagine taking your own photo, a picture of your friend, or even a celebrity, and transforming it into an amazing 3D character with just a few clicks. Sounds cool, right? But here's the real game changer. It's not just about clicking a button. The magic happens when you choose the right professional styles, unlock hidden settings, and use some special tricks that take your results from basic to mind-blowing. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. Stick around till the end because the best tips are coming up and they will make all the difference. Let's dive in and see the power of AI in action. Alright, the first step is to head over to the AI-powered website design. To get started, we need to create an account, so go ahead and click on the Start for Free button at the top right corner. Signing up is super easy. You can use your personal email or simply continue with Google. Just like that. No hassle, no complicated steps. You are in. Now you have your Zeen AI account set up and ready to go. Welcome to the Zeen AI dashboard. This platform has tons of powerful features, and I will be covering them in future tutorials. But today, our focus is on something really exciting, turning regular images into stunning 3D animations and Pixar Disney-style cartoons. Now, before we jump into the fun part, let's take a quick look at the profile section. In the top left corner, there's a profile icon. Clicking on it gives access to settings where you can update your username, change your plan, or even delete your account if needed. There's also a credits section where you can check out the different subscription plans. And here's something cool. When you sign up, Zeen AI gives you 32 free tokens, and the best part? These tokens automatically recharge every day. So you can keep experimenting and creating awesome 3D transformations without worrying about running out. With the free plan, you get access to some really cool features like text-to-image and image-to-image, along with a few others, perfect for experimenting within the daily token limit. But if you are looking for advanced tools like image-to-3D models or face swap, those are exclusive to the premium plans. Also, keep in mind that any images you generate with the free plan will have a watermark, and removing it is only possible if you upgrade. Alright, now for the fun part. Creating our project. Go ahead and click on New Project to set things up. First, you need to name the project, so I will enter a title. Next, let's configure the canvas settings. Since I want a horizontal HD format, I will set the aspect ratio to 16:9. Moving down, I will enter the resolution as 1280 by 720 to ensure we get a clear and sharp output. Once that's done, I will hit Apply. Now, it's time to upload an image. This can be a personal photo, a picture of a friend or family member, or even a celebrity, whatever you want to transform into a stunning 3D animation. To get started, I will click on the Upload button in the top left corner. This will bring up a window where I can select and upload my chosen image. Depending on your internet speed, the upload will be quick and the image will appear in the workspace, ready for transformation. Now, since we are here to change the style of the image, I will go ahead and click on IMG to IMG. This opens the image-to-image panel on the right side, where we can access a wide range of preset styles. Zeen AI offers tons of options, from anime and paper cutout to watercolor, cartoon, and more. To explore these, I will click on the No Style tab, which opens a drop-down list filled with exciting style categories. You can navigate through them using the menu on the left. Since we are aiming for a 3D transformation, I will select the 3D category, which reveals all the available styles designed for 3D effects. There are so many fun ones to try, and I highly recommend experimenting with them to see which works best for your image. For this tutorial, I will go with Innocent Cutie, a style that gives a soft and adorable 3D look. Now, if you want more customization, you can enter a prompt to describe specific modifications, or you can leave it blank and just explore the default settings. Below the prompt box, there's a style intensity slider. This controls how strongly the chosen style is applied. From my testing, a value of 0.7 worked really well, keeping a nice balance between detail and transformation. Further down, you will find the structure match option. This setting ensures that the generated image maintains the original composition. Again, through my tests, the very similar setting, which corresponds to 0.7, delivered the best results. Next, we have the color match setting. This helps preserve the original color tones in key areas of the image while also strengthening the structure match. And finally, there's the face match option, which ensures that the final result retains the original facial identity, keeping the person recognizable even after applying the transformation. Once all the settings are adjusted, it's time for the exciting part. I will click on Generate. This will deduct 8 tokens from my balance and the request will be queued for processing. After a short wait, 4 newly generated images will appear in the results panel on the right. Now, to get a closer look, I will hover over the thumbnails, which instantly displays the images in a larger size, making it super easy to compare them with the original reference photo. While hovering, you will also notice a small download icon. Just click on it to save your favorite images directly. There are several advanced features like variations, face swap, enhance, upscale, and AI editor, but I will be covering those in future tutorials. So, if you are interested in taking your creations to the next level, stay tuned. There's a lot more exciting content on the way. Now if you click on any of the images, it opens up in a gallery view, where you can browse through them one by one. The download button is also available below each frame, making it easy to save high-quality versions of the results. The images look pretty good, but let's fine-tune the settings a bit. One of the golden secrets to getting the best similarity to the reference image, especially in 3D cartoon style, is the structure match setting. This time, I will adjust it to quite strict, which corresponds to 0.9. This should help maintain even more details from the original photo while keeping the 3D effect smooth and polished. With that tweak done, I will hit Generate again using another 8 tokens, and after a short wait, 4 fresh images will appear in the results panel. Let's see how much of a difference this adjustment makes. Now let's check out the newly generated images. To do this, I will double-click on any thumbnail, which will add my selected image to the workspace. Next, I will head over to the Layers tab. This panel works a lot like what you would find in Photoshop, making it easy to manage and compare different versions of the image. Using the Hide and Show option, I can quickly toggle between the generated images and the reference photo, helping me see the differences more clearly. Once I have picked my favorite version, it's time to export the final image. I will click on the Export button in the top right corner of the website, which brings up the export settings. Under File Type, I will select JPEG as the format. Keep in mind that PSD format is only available for premium users, so if you need layered files for advanced editing, you will have to upgrade. Next, we have the Upscale section, which lets you boost image quality. In the free plan, only 1x upscale is available, while higher resolution upscaling is a premium feature. Also, remember that all images in the free plan come with a watermark. If you want to remove the watermark and unlock all advanced features, you will need to switch to a paid plan. Now that everything is set, I will click on Export Canvas as image, and just like that, the final image is saved to my device. Ready to create more? Let's keep experimenting. Quick note, just so we are clear, I am not affiliated with Zine AI in any way, and I haven't received any payment for this video. This is not a sponsored video. I created it purely for educational purposes to help you explore AI-powered creativity. As you have seen, I have been using only the free plan throughout this tutorial, so everything I have shown is accessible to anyone. Today, you have learned how to transform regular images into stunning 3D animations and cartoon-style masterpieces using AI tools. With the right settings and a little practice, you can create some truly mind-blowing results. But this is just the beginning. You now have access to a whole world of endless possibilities. Now it's your turn. The sooner you start experimenting, the better your results will be. So dive in, play around with the settings, and unleash your creativity. If you enjoyed this tutorial and learned something new, now's the perfect time to smash that like button. And trust me, more insane AI tutorials are on the way, and they are going to blow your mind. Want to take your learning to the next level? Hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a video. AI is the future, and it's time to embrace it with open arms. Stay tuned, because in the next tutorial, something truly exciting is coming your way. See you soon.